This one is another great question because it's a bit like being a detective in terms of working things out. So as you can see here, we have got lots of different tests that have been carried out and then the results of that test. So I've tried to go through it a step at a time. So I'm going to look at V first. And V, I can see that V is a solution which conducts electricity. So therefore I'm thinking this is ionic, because we know that ionic solutions will conduct because the lattice is broken. It's a white solid, so therefore it's not going to contain a transition metal as in the ionic compound, because transition metals are coloured. It's got a high melting point. Again, that suggests ionic, because the bond is strong inside there. And then, therefore, I'm concluding that V is a ionic substance. We then can look at W, and W, it tells us, is a gas which turns red litmus blue, so therefore it is an alkali. The gas is pungent, therefore I think the gas that we know as pungent that smells is ammonia. And it says that the gas has got a low melting and boiling point. That's typical of a, I've got the word giant there, that's not right. That's typical of a simple covalent substance, which ammonia is. So 3 bits of evidence there pointing to the fact that this is going to be ammonia. X is they add nitric acid and silver nitrate, and this is a test for halide ions. So halide ions, remember, is your chloride ions, bromide ions, iodide ions. To help me to remember this, I put them in order from their activity series, and we know it's Y, cows, yellow, so white, cream, yellow precipitate. In the table it tells me it forms a cream precipitate, so cream precipitate must mean it contains bromide ions, and the precipitate that forms is silver bromide. Therefore, we've identified V is containing ammonia, and it contains bromide ions. Therefore, the ionic compound must be ammonium bromide.